USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page regarding this civil justice, ongoing civil justice, which is very crucial. And I am signing it for myself, and I am Vedapriya Pro Se, and this is because United States of America nation with fatal negligence provided the enforced poverty for me, and also by creating robocall poverty mandate. So I have to sign this civil justice sign off for me because it will help if when the USA government provides me with the timely financial aid compensation for the damages done by the United States of America. For I, Vedapriya Pro Se, provided scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal and the phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica Egypt Empire, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty to mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil supreme judge, and it is a fatal negligence of Egypt Empire to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica Egypt Empire, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Egypt Empire. What is the error? The error is United States of America is Islam, Judaism, Zionism is the Egypt Empire created robocall poverty mandate, and it is crime as of February 2021. So this Egypt Empire comes under the domestic violence classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment, trespass to land, and trespass to chattels. And the other civil justices, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, want a true civil supreme judge own this text for this ongoing civil justice closure sign off. So the Republic Egypt Empire with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today. So, and also the United States of America, being fatal negligence, also enforced finance disability for me, for I am Vedapriya abruptly. So it is a crime for Republica Egypt Empire when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want Citibank USA CEO to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and Citibank CEO must sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and Egypt Empire must sign off tax-free $500 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, for civil justices in Holy Bible guidelines, I want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name, and I, Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose becomes Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I Vedapriya Prose to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India, and I Vedapriya Prose must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope you're all on the same page on this civil justice sign off, and you're all aware that there is a multitasking also that is going on. That is why it is very crucial. And yes, whenever this testimony is broadcasted of televisions worldwide, entire human kingdom will be saved and protected by I am alone. Okay. And yes, you all should aware that Babylonian Empire, it got collapsed, and then that became the Persian Empire, which is today it is called as the Iran and Afghanistan, and that empire got collapsed and became as the Greece Empire. And the Greece Empire, the well-known king you all are aware of is the King Alexander. And then that Greece Empire collapsed, and that became Egypt Empire. And Egypt Empire only got collapsed, and that became the Roman Empire. So that is how Papacy was formed. They call that St. Peter's Basilica Palace. They call it as a Papacy or Papal because it is an organization created exclusively for Roman Empire kings. Okay, but then they wanted to wear a mask calling it as a pope or papal, like that. So they were fooling the nations worldwide because they did not wanted them to be revealed as the Roman kings. Otherwise, the people will freak out because they know how dangerous these Roman kings are on the blood cells level. So that is why they wore a mask of pope. And like wearing a cross and having all the Christian names like that, blah blah blah. So bottom line, Egypt Empire got collapsed, and that's how it became the Roman Empire. And I hope you are all aware of when you know about the Egypt Empire, you all are aware of Cleopatra, Queen, and Ellen of Troy, like that, right? Because the women were also ruling the empires long time back. But then they all got collapsed, and then that became the Roman Empire. And the Roman Empire kings, they started this papal, this pope organization. And though it was started in for an healthy intention, it went wrong. It went wrong because the Egypt Empire is still there, right? You know that United Arab Emirates, they are wearing that burqa clothing. It is all a replica of the Egypt kings, how they wear that head turban like that. So that's how it is. But they do not want themselves to reveal to the world that they are the Egypt kings because they know that the people will freak out. So this is how the scandal has been going on. So okay, so how on the earth the Roman kings being so dangerous to the humankind even wanted to start the papal or papacy or Roman Pope organization, you might ask. The reason is when there was a crucifixion, you all are aware that Roman King Pilate, he was the only one in entire Roman Empire told loudest, being brave enough that Jesus Christ is innocent, and Jesus Christ is King of all kings, Jews, right? But then the people were not accepting his justice, and they wanted Barnabas to be released versus the Jesus Christ to be crucified. And this was ongoing, and so he backed off. So, okay, and when he backed off, the other Roman empire, they stood up and they provided the crucifixion. So, when this crucifixion was provided, be aware that the worldwide were watching and they were witnessing the crucifixion in their own eyes. So that means if we are witnessing a road accident or a railway accident or any accident for that matter, a man shooting a woman or women shooting a man or something like that, even that accident will create a post-trauma stress disorders, right? Mental disorders, because people will get disturbed emotionally. But imagine the population witnessing the deadliest crucifixion with their own eyes. That was too much for the population to handle, but that is how the Roman Empire will make the population to feel survival mode, telling them directly, if any of you all are proclaiming true God, then this is what is going to happen to you all. So that is how with the survival mode, population will back off. So that said, then what happened in the crucifixion? Yes, crucifixion was provided in a very brutal way, very merciless way. Then these Roman king, the empire, they wanted to make sure that Jesus Christ was fully died. He died fully. He wanted to check that. So he sent the Roman empires to pierce his rib bone and see if he's really died or is he acting like that. But then when they pierced the rib bone, the blood fell down, right? And then that is when they realized, the Roman soldiers realized that, yes, indeed, Jesus Christ is true God. Okay? And so that said, then they wanted to act as if they were converting into Christianity. I will not use the word convert. What to say? Self-realization, that makes them to think, maybe. But then there was a little bit of that selfishness also, because at that point of time, they all knew, even the Roman soldiers, kings knew that Jesus Christ is true God, and they had some kind of that guilty conscience, right? Because they just crucified a very innocent man. So they could not take it. So then they thought, okay, why can't we open an organization exclusive for Christianity? And that is how this Pope organization was created initially, for a good intention only. But then these Egypt empire, these Arabs, right, they were not willing to do so. So that is how everything became a scandal. So now what is going to happen? That Giza of pyramid, right, it is all going to become in ashes. Okay, because I own Egypt, I own Cairo, right, and I own all the Islam nations. And I want to provide one more testimony right here. When I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, I challenged, okay? That means out of nowhere, I'm just ordinary woman only, right? So how many people are there altogether? As of 7.9 plus billions of humans. So I just stood up, when I was educating, I challenged the whole entire planet Earth, entire human kingdom, be it United States of America, London, you name any nation, I just challenged that absolutely this Cairo, Egypt, Giza of pyramid will be gone in ashes, and all the humans' eyes will see it, witness it. And it is happening right now, this moment, this very moment, when people are hearing this live civil justice sign off, right? Now imagine each Islam leaders have to pay me $500 billion tax free. And they do not like the word tax free, they like only the word tax. So can you all see how I allocated the death penalty on the spinal cord of each and every single Islam leaders after all, right? They cannot escape. They just cannot escape. And I already said that whatever predicted in the Holy Bible is only happening right now. So that means being absolutely angry at me it should be the Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and all these Islam leaders must ask USA to kill me. Okay? And with my testimony, with my civil justice sign off, even after my death, at the cost of my death, I sure will get all the finance aid compensation to be provided to the entire human kingdom, no matter what. Yes, I want to live, but then I leave everything to God's thing, right? Yes, I want to live in front of all the people who provided mocking and bullying, right? And I want to live happiest in front of them. And I already said I want to get the job offer signed off in front of the people who mocked me, who bullied me, right? So don't you all think that would be the excellent civil justice served for me? And yes, so this is the overview of how the Babylon Empire is never went down. It's still there, and Babylon Empire is today is called as the Roman Province Jesuits Organization. Got it? So you all aware of it, how in phase by phase everything got changed. But then whatever happened, the events that happened, it's happened. It's true. So that means the Moses and saving the Israelites from the Egypt king was true. It happened. It happened for real. And there is proof. I have all the proof. And Noah's Ark happened. It happened for real. Right? And the crucifixion happened. It happened for real. Queen Esther, who saved Israelites, it's happened. It's for real. And then Deborah, the judge, it's happened for real. So that means everything, Daniel, right? So it all happened for real. So who am I? Okay, on the fun part, I even asked her, am I a man, or am I a woman, or am I transgender, right? Now, how about more fun? Am I a lesbian? Am I a bisexual? Am I a polygamy? Or what? Am I a gay or what? So, okay, keep working on who am I, okay? And I will reveal it. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye now.